In this tutorial, I will teach you the ability to jump between walls. It's extremely simple and just requires a few commands, so let's get started. Do you see that text box over here saying wall? That is a scoreboard which we'll need to set up first. It can be done by whether copying the text you're just seeing into command block and activating it, or by just casually typing it into the chat. This next command block has the settings: repeat, always active and unconditional. It causes the player to run a test, which tests if the block the player's feet are facing is not air, thus making it a block. If that is the case, said player runs a command that makes their wall skirt turn 1. Now, you're gonna need a chain command block that is facing the same direction as the one before. Furthermore, its other settings are conditional and always active. In terms of what it does actually, it runs a command beneath each player that scores wall equals 1, which includes the player that just got their score set to 1. The command that is run, on the other hand, fills a 1 cube area below the player with a barrier block as long as the block was there before. Now, the wall jumping should work already. But we still need to add something that's essential: the removal of the barriers after jumping again. In order to accomplish that, the command block on the screen is one of the two ones needed. It resets the wall score of each player who's jumping or just standing on any block that is not a barrier one by testing if the block below their feet is not said block and running a scoreboard command on a successful test. You will also need to actually clear the barriers, which is where this command comes into play. Get a repeating command block that has the same settings as the other ones in this tutorial. For this, it causes each player with a wall score of 0, which indicates they're not currently wall jumping, to replace the surrounding barriers with air blocks, deleting them. Now, if you want a second part of this, which is more multiplayer compatible perhaps, make sure to like this video and perhaps also subscribe to this channel. Furthermore, check out this playlist for more awesome superpowers in Minecraft that just require a few commands.